We're not alone. He must be on his way. Keep a lookout. Let's hit him. Robin, you're up. It's go time. I hate the snow. Eat it, Bane. Oh, gee, mama. That was a bad idea. Robin, we gotta move. Let's go. Oh man, I hope Batgirl and Batman are doing a little bit better. Ah! Oh boy. Ouchie. Oh. Ah. Oh. Batgirl, when you're ready. Incoming! After being so mean to us. Alright. We gotta move. You ready? Let's go! I'm gonna do something a little nuts. Is that okay? No. I don't think it's okay. We're gonna try something out here. Just a little diversion. What was that? The diversion? Why don't you pick on somebody with a rocket launcher? There's Robin's avalanche. Let's move. Now, where is the Batman? Getting a little chilly out here. Oh. It's over, Freeze. I will never stop. Batman, you know that. I do. Bye-bye. She's a total babe, isn't she? Yeah, I really like her.